Yo, the market just opened 12 minutes ago. The first 15 minute of auction is about to close soon, so we gonna know what direction are we looking for now. Other than that, I'm just gonna show you my pre-market analysis, then we'll go from there. So now actually price just flipped above VPAC. So we're potentially going to start a slow trend to the upside, or just maybe we're just balanced for this week. Overall, we're above last week value area high, above TPO. We want to target this TPO area here. So we got quite some nice bullish signs for today. We had NFP this morning too. One of my friends told me it was positive, so it's bullish for, it was positive for ES. So price is giving me a lot of bullish signs right now. If I go on my 15-minute, yeah, it looks like we're about to open outside overnight value area high. Right now, CVD is currently below zero, so we're not positive yet. I'm gonna wait for buyers to step in a little bit more if I would take some buys. But other than that, yeah, we tried to create a slow trend after session, then went rotational, went above VPOC, and yeah, so we could potentially have some nice buys for today. Let me go take a look at my TPOs. Oh yeah, we gonna have to, I might have to redo that. I mean, this is the entire week. I could merge all of these together, but at what point? So I'm just gonna keep this one here. I'll delete this one. I don't need it anymore. Sending rectangles. I could merge these two here, but nah, I'm gonna wait for next week. Let me just take this one here and keep this. Other than that, this is what my overnight value area looks like. Are we really about to open inside of value? Oh, maybe not. Let's see. We got 8 seconds, 7 seconds. Let's go. Yeah, we open inside value, overnight value. So there's no longs for now. I would try to get some shorts. Let's see if I get good confirmation. I would need like a drop here, then a retracement. I'm not shorting right now. Let's see what happened. We got this support zone here. I would be happy to take some longs from if we have good confirmation. Let me just boom. All right, let's see. Aggressive selling. If CVD could get down there and price falling too, that would be nice. Let's see. Could be a nice break and retest. Stops at the 79s. Yes. Alright, let's wait. It would be nice to see sellers getting trapped. Aggressive selling again. Sellers are battling. Aggressive selling again. Bro, I've always wondered, where is all the traders that used to trade back in 2020? Where are y'all? I bought cars from y'all niggas, but I need my money back. Bro, I've always wondered, where is all the traders that used to trade back in 2020? Where are y'all? I'm a, bro, I've always ICT concept can't do that type of stuff, bro. I just caught the law of the market. Concept can't do that type of stuff, bro. I just caught the law of the market again. This is the best bread I've ever eaten in my whole entire life. I don't like how this 5 minute is going to close. Aggressive selling again. Yup. Them boys is about to get trapped. Hmm. Yeah. I'm about to get in.
Order filled.
Alright, man. Bro, move. I need to place my stops. Hold on. My stop is at the 76. Let's go.
Order filled. Order filled.
Alright, there you go. I bought because sellers are trapped. Nice. I like the reaction. Let's see if it holds though. Nice.
See how we took these lows here. We took these lows here. Y'all see these lows here? We failed to with TVD. I think this is just sell stops here. Yeah, people had their stops here. They're stopping people out. Even myself could be stopped out before the real move. So I'm gonna keep my stops here. If it stops me out before going, it's completely okay. Let me just go BE, bro. It's like it would not make no sense for me to let price stop me out full loss here, and it's Friday.
Order filled.
Bam! Come on. Nice trade. Let's go. That was a beautiful 1 of 4, bro. That was amazing. So, hold on. Let me see. Up 1.4 for the week, bro. And up 1.4 for the month. Let me just go back on this analysis, then I'll close it. So what happened? Why I got in, right? I was already waiting for this level here. We came back on it. What we did here is we sellers got trapped. They were hitting the bid aggressively, selling, 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 selling. So the way past these lows here, but what price did we fail to go down there? Plus it was on VPOC. That was double confirmation. So as soon that this candle closed here, I executed the trade. And you can even see here. they were just taking sell stops. You see these lows here, how they took them here? CVD didn't do so. They failed to. So they were just taking stop. I could have got stopped out. I'm not gonna lie to you. I could have got stopped out, but luckily for me, ended up being a beautiful trade, man. Anyways, I'll see y'all on Monday.